Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail, and here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Lola, and the next is in the shade Vanity. And for the liquids, I will be using again from Revel Nail, and this is the Pro Base as well as their activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator to all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. And the next, I move on to my Pro Base and I apply a thin layer of this to my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and tap off the excess. So I will be using the shade Lola on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this shade and I'll be back. One thing that I wanted to mention is make sure that you brush off the excess powder before you move on to your next layer. Otherwise, your nails will gonna look really fake and bumpy if you don't brush off the excess. So make sure you do that before you move on to your next layer. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of the shade Lola, I move on to the shade Vanity, and I will be applying this on my middle and ring nail. So again, I will be applying 3 layers of this Vanity on my nails. Using a chunky glitters on your nails is a little bit tricky, so what I do is I dip my nails into the powder and I use my other finger to gently press the chunky glitters on my nails. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of Vanity, I move on to my clear powder. This is acrylic powder, but it's also suitable for dipping system. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nails and then immediately dip my nails into the clear powder and tap off the excess. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails. This will protect your nails from filing and buffing. Especially when you are using glitters, make sure you clear encapsulate your nails so you don't file off your glitters. So then once I'm finished with the clear, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of this activator to all of my nails, and this will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So after about 2 minutes, I file and buff off camera, and I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. At this point, you can also wash your hands instead of cleaning with alcohol. Then next, I move on to my no wipe top coat and I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. Again, this step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. I just prefer to use no wipe top coat just because I found that it gives more shine on my nails, and also I found that dip powder top coat smells really strong. Actually, it smells stronger than the base. I don't know why, but anyway, this is just a personal preference. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.